how to permanently delete Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Now the process itself is quite simple, so let me guide through. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, or if you wish to delete your account, either way you want to simply open an Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, you want to head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to head into the option that says account center, and there you'll find the option that says personal details. You can see their personal details under account settings, right? You want to simply tap on personal details and then tap on account ownership and control. Under account ownership and control, you can see deactivation or deletion. Tap on it and then tap on particular Insta account that you wish to delete, and then select the option that says delete account instead of deactivate account. Make sure the blue tick mark is blue circle is on the delete account option, and then tap on continue. It'll ask you for your password. You want to enter it and you'll be good to go. So this way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.